Sup Chem peeps, back for some more molar solubility and KSP. The molar solubility of silver sulfate in pure water at 25 degrees Celsius is 1.2 times 10 to the minus 5 molar. Calculate KSP. First, an equation. Boom. Illustrating placing silver sulfate in water, dissolving into its ions. Notice the ratio of ions, 2 silver ions for every 1 sulfate ion, based on the ratio of ions in that formula. Ice table time. Boom. Gonna drop my solid. Put a giant X through there, reminding me that my solids are not included in the KSP expression. Initially, 0.0 molar silver, 0.00 molar sulfate. It's all solid silver sulfate before I place it in the water. Once I do, this is going to increase by a factor of 2x, this by a factor of x. Again, we determine that based on the stoichiometry in the equation. At equilibrium, my concentration of silver ion will be 2x, and sulfate ion will be x. Now we've got our equilibrium concentrations, let's set up our KSP expression. Boom. Reminder again to be cautious with your stoichiometry in your KSP expression. Now this time, we're looking for KSP, we're told the molar solubility. So looking for KSP, we know that at equilibrium, the silver ion concentration is going to be 2x and sulfate is going to be x. Now we're given the value for molar solubility to be 1.2 times 10 to the minus 5 molar. That means at this temperature, we're going to get 1.2 times 10 to the minus 5 moles per liter of this salt to dissolve into its ions. And if I get 1.2 times 10 to the minus 5 moles per liter of this to dissolve, I'm going to form 1.2 times 10 to the minus 5 moles of this per liter, and twice that number of moles per liter of my silver ion. So KSP equals 2 times my molar solubility for the silver ion squared times that molar solubility for sulfate. Again, we have to double it for silver because for every 1 mole of silver sulfate, we get 2 moles of silver ion. And it's equivalent to the sulfate ion because the ratio there is 1:1. Now, we just turn to our good friend, calculadora. 2 times parentheses 1.2, second e, negative 5, close parentheses, enter. Squared, enter. Times parentheses 1.2, second e, negative 5, close parentheses, enter. KSP equal to 6.9 times 10 to the minus 15. Boom. No units. And we are done.